Love each other.
Say hi. You stop it. Get down. Get down.
Excuse you.
Beat that.
Beat that.
Someone just, oh no, it's a whole, oh my gosh. I can't take you off.
Excuse me? Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth. Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi? Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants. Bagel, no! Bagel! You're so cute. Gigi. Aw, you got scared.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Are you part dog? Alama, 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 alama.
Para de me lamber, eu não peguei o cachorro, não. Eu não peguei.
Oh! Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here. Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Come on.
Did I not see you before?
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you. Oh, I'm sorry.
Matters the most. Not only do you have a good
Yeah, I love you.
She's happy.
I just think she's scared of being abandoned. Shiver.
Спасибо, моя кисть.
You're scaring me. What a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
So let me in, open your house. I'm just a cat, let me concur.
This on a poster. You know how like a lot of words. Like
Hello? No! No!
Diner.
What? Can I help you? No. No, I'm trying to poop.
Is that he doesn't know that I'm talking to him. I'm not just talking like this. What are you doing?
No. No.
Hello? Bob? Hello?
Can you hold the fuck?
Third, what have you been up to? What was that sound?
Day 67 of my cat trying to scare me.
my boy.
It's you.
Reggie, don't eat him.
Bastard.
Okay.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Don't bite his tail.
Oh my.
Oh my god. Mais Fabrício.
What a tease.
I didn't go in the back cave. Batman.
Damn, you got something on you. You just got something. Oh, it's cold.